Are you feeling thirsty all the time? This video is for you. It's about chronic dehydration and what are the common reasons that cause us feeling tired all the time, feeling this constant thirst, and often don't finding relief by just drinking water. My name is Peggy from PeggySchirmer.com. I warmly welcome you to Gut Feelings, the channel to support you to become your own health expert, so you have all the energy you need to manifest your dreams in the world and support others with your expert knowledge. So guys, before we dive right into the theme, why are we likely to feel thirsty all the time, I've got a health disclaimer for you. This video doesn't replace your general practitioner checking with your doctor. If you feel always thirsty and can't find any relief in that, there's a long list of diseases that can be responsible for feeling constantly thirsty. However, in this video we are going to look into the most common ones that are not a life-threatening disease, that are very important for you to know to help your body heal and to find relief from this constant thirst. The two most important reasons for feeling chronically dehydrated is what we're going to cover today. Number one has to do with the toxicity in your body, and number two is related to food. Let's jump right into and start with number one, and this is really the most pressing and the most serious issue that we're dealing with in our daily life. On a daily basis we are exposed to toxins, may it be environmental toxins, toxins that we get in our body through the food we eat, through the water, through getting that from generations before us, but also bacteria and viruses. When they proliferate, they expel toxins that are highly problematic for our system, and these toxins and medication on top. And these toxins are the main reason why we have so much dehydration, why we are actually often chronically dehydrated. And what that does to our body is such a long list of health problems that follow. But the first one is that it thickens our blood. That means that the heart needs to work harder to pump the blood through our system, but it also comes with a long red tail of consequences for our other organs like our liver, our pancreas, our kidneys, our hormonal balance, our immune system, you name it. Don't worry right now. I'm going to give you, in the end, I'm going to give you a tip how you can help your body get rid of more toxins and to hydrate your body better. But first, let's look into the second reason for chronic dehydration related to food. Here it's important to know that cooked food leads to dehydration and is naturally dehydrated already, and a diet high in fats and in proteins also leads to dehydration by thickening the blood, by making it more difficult for your digestion. And on top, what often happens with these high fat and high protein diets is that they contain also a lot of salt, of a kind of salt that our body can't really deal with. If it's not a natural salt that comes from celery or spinach or other vegetables, then it can actually dehydrate. Like processed sugar, it really drains the nutrients and the cell water out of the system. Guys, before you get a heart attack just hearing about these things, I'd like to also give you something on the way that you can action step right now. And important here to know is that when I hear just drink more water, that's generally not going to give you the relief. You might even have tried that already and it didn't work. It's important the water that you drink needs to be from vegetables or from fruits. Fruit water is a completely different game than if you drink tap water or any kinds of bottled water. So what to do if you want to heal your chronic dehydration? In general, raw fruits, ample amount of fruits. There you have a lot of water content like watermelons, oranges, lemons, apples, bananas, anything really. If you want to install something into your daily life which helps you with this chronic dehydration and relieves the thirst, I recommend you to juice cucumbers. Cucumbers are botanically a fruit and they contain a lot of electrolytes, a lot of minerals, and they also contain this awesome amount of fruit water. So what you can do is twice per day have one cucumber juiced. Just drink the cucumber juice straight without any additions of apple or anything else, just that, and that will not only help you deeply hydrate your cells and your tissue, will also help you feel less thirsty, and it helps your liver to cleanse and flush out the toxins from your system. It also helps with digesting because it's rich in enzymes, contains good amounts of sodium and other minerals that are important. So the best thing you can do is really, first thing in the morning, drink one juiced cucumber, and then 30 minutes before you go to bed, best on an empty stomach, drink the other cucumber juiced. It's gonna give your immune system and your digestion and all your cells, it will just give you such a boost. I guarantee that for you. You can also see that in the way your skin is hydrated. Yeah, feels fuller, feels more tight. Just give it a try. I recommend to do that for 1 week and then you reassess and hopefully keep doing it. So as a summary, the 2 reasons why most of us suffer from chronic dehydration, even if we don't feel thirsty all the time, is first that we have a high toxicity in our body which builds up over age. It uses up a lot of the liquid that is in our body that we need for other purposes. And the second one is the way we eat. High fat, high protein diets and cooked food can be responsible for chronic dehydration as well. And then action tip, go for 2 cucumbers juiced per day, 1 in the morning first thing and the second one last before you go to bed. Guys, let me know when you try that out. What are your effects? Did it work for you? Are you gonna keep on doing it? Did you manage to do it for 1 week? I'm curious to hear in the comments below. And maybe you have tips that helped you to relieve this feeling of thirstiness and chronic dehydration. I'm thankful for your comment. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I'd love to welcome you also to our Gut Feelings community. Just press the logo and you're going to be updated with the newest health support so you can become your own health expert and you will know what happens inside your body and just really have this awesome relationship where you feel energized when you wake up in the morning and relaxed when you go to bed. I see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye bye.